Morning, Nigeria. Welcome to NaijaNews roundup of top newspaper headlines in Nigeria for today, Monday, 23rd September 2024. Tinubu orders fresh crackdown on cyber criminals, car thieves. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has issued a fresh directive to security agencies in the country to go after cyber criminals and other organized crime groups. President Tinubu said security and law enforcement agencies, including Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), the Nigerian Customs Service (NCS), the Nigerian Police Force (NPF), and Nigerian Port Authority (NPA) must intensify efforts in cracking down on individuals in possession of and trafficking in stolen vehicles. He stressed that Nigeria is not a destination for stolen vehicles or other ill-gotten wealth. While commending the EFCC for its efforts, President Tinubu further assured of the commitment of his administration to fighting all criminals and their activities. Edo Gubernatorial. INEC declares APC candidate Monday Okpebholo winner. The governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Monday Okpebholo, has emerged victorious in the September 21, 2024 governorship election. The off-cycle election had 17 candidates contest for the exalted seat at the Dennis Osadebe House in Benin City, Edo State. The governorship election was held in 4,519 polling units across the 18 local government areas of Edo State. NaijaNews understand that Okpebholo had the support of the former governor and lawmaker representing Edo North Senatorial District, Adams Oshiomhole. The electoral process was widely contested by Okpebholo, the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Asue Ighodalo, and Olumide Akpata of the Labour Party. Shettima departs Abuja for US to attend 79th United Nations General Assembly. The Vice President, Kashim Shettima, has departed Nigeria to attend 79th United Nations General Assembly in the United States. This was contained in a statement by Shettima's Senior Special Advisor on Media and Communication, Stanley Nkwocha, on Sunday. At the event, the Vice President, on behalf of President Bola Tinubu, would deliver Nigeria's national statement, participate in key meetings, and engage in bilateral meetings. It added that the meeting will focus on addressing domestic issues, including devastating flood disasters. Edo decides 2024. Why I stormed INEC Collation Center, says Governor Obaseki. The governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, has explained why he had to visit the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC Collation Center, for Saturday's governorship election. Governor Obaseki said he got a call that INEC suspended the collation of results without informing the public. Obaseki added that he was also informed that the People's Democratic Party (PDP) agents were not allowed into the collation center by INEC. Speaking with newsmen on Sunday, the governor of Edo State noted that it was after he had visited INEC's collation center that INEC gave a statement. DSS releases 6 detained #EndBadGovernance protesters to arraign 3. The Department of State Services, DSS, has released 6 individuals detained in connection with the #EndBadGovernance protest that swept across Nigeria from August 1st to August 10th, 2024. The protest aimed to draw attention to the escalating hardship faced by citizens, but were marked by incidents of violence and criminal activities. According to sources familiar with the situation, the detainees were released last Thursday in Kaduna following directive from the DSS Director General, Adeola Oluwatosin Ajayi. The protest, which initially sought to highlight government inefficiencies, were reportedly hijacked by criminal elements in various states, leading to harassment and intimidation of innocent participants. While 6 individuals were freed, 3 others remained in custody and are facing prosecution for their involvement in criminal activities during the protests. Adamawa Governor Fintiri accuses INEC of bias in Edo governorship election collation. The governor of Adamawa State, Ahmadu Fintiri, has leveled serious allegations against the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) regarding the conduct of Edo governorship election. Speaking at a press conference in Benin on Sunday, Fintiri, the chairman of Edo PDP Campaign Council, claimed that agents of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) were denied access to the INEC office before the collation process. The governor further alleged that the collation of results was violently disrupted in several local government areas, raising alarms about the integrity of the election. As the situation unfolds, the PDP is demanding accountability from INEC and urging for a transparent and fair collation of the election results, emphasizing the need for every vote to count in line with the democratic principles. Boko Haram destroyed Damaturu-Maiduguri transmission line again. Boko Haram terrorists have once again targeted critical infrastructure, destroying the Damaturu-Maiduguri 330 kV transmission line in early hours of Sunday. Security analyst Zagazola Makama reported that the attack occurred around 2 a.m. when insurgents used improvised explosive devices, IEDs, to blow up the facility. The incident has plunged Maiduguri and its surrounding areas into darkness, raising concerns over the ongoing targeting of essential services by the group. The transmission line had only been restored on September 4, 2024, after a previous attack that disrupted the electricity supply to the region. In his post on X, Makama emphasized the repeated nature of these attacks, highlighting the challenges faced in securing critical infrastructure against insurgent actions. DHQ denies 6-year detention of naval rating. The Defense Headquarters, DHQ, has denied claims that Silman Abbas Haruna was detained for 6 years, as alleged by his wife, Hussaina Ilia. According to the DHQ, Haruna was never arrested. The allegation surfaced after Haruna's wife went on a popular Abuja radio station, accusing Brigadier General A.S. Adamu of ordering her husband's detention since 2018. NaijaNews report that the story gained widespread attention, leading Chief of Defense Staff General Christopher Musa and Minister of State for Defense Bello Matawalle to call for an investigation. Following this, a video circulated online showing Haruna resisting attempts by fellow personnel to disarm him. The video cut off mid-scuffle, but gunshots were heard. In an interview with The Punch, Director of Defense Information Brigadier General Tukur Gusau dismissed these claims. When questioned about Haruna's current location, Gusau noted that the investigation is ongoing and the public will be informed once it concludes. He reiterated that Haruna's wife knew her husband was not in detention, and more information will be revealed upon the investigation's conclusion. Edo decides 2024. Ighodalo won. Don't change results or you will cause huge crisis in Edo, PDP tells INEC, APC. The People's Democratic Party, PDP, on Sunday declared that its candidate, Asue Ighodalo, won the 2024 governorship election. The party, in a statement by its National Publicity Secretary, Debo Ologunagba, insisted that the result of the Edo State governorship election, as gathered by its polling agents across the state, indicated that the PDP candidate, Asue Ighodalo, clearly won the election. The PDP accused APC of trying to steal the mandate of its candidate. The party warned that any attempt to change the result of Edo State governorship election and allocate victory to a defeated candidate would provoke dire consequences and may be a recipe for a huge crisis in Edo State. Ologunagba added that the same position was echoed by the chairman of Edo PDP National Campaign Council, Governor Ahmadu Fintiri of Adamawa State, and warned both the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, and the All Progressive Congress, APC, against tampering with the results. Edo decides 2024. INEC promises to investigate some uploaded results on IREV. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has said it will investigate some of the results uploaded on its viewing portal, IREV. INEC stated this in response to the allegation of uploading controversial results to the viewing portal by some collation officers during the Edo governorship election on Saturday. Former Minister of Aviation Osita Chidoka on his X handle alleged that two INEC staff, Remiloluwa Olajun and Obozuwa Josephine, uploaded result sheets that have more votes than accredited voters to the IREV. In reaction, INEC on its X handle wrote, "The Commission's attention has been drawn to an allegation of wrong figures entered into the polling unit's result sheet in the ongoing Edo State governorship election. This is the second complaint we've received out of 4,519 polling units used for the election. The Commission will immediately investigate the matter and deal with any proven infraction." That's the top Nigerian news headline for today. Read more Nigerian news on NaijaNews. See you again tomorrow.